Banana, banana, banana.
Hi everyone, I'm Anna, and today we're going to become banana farmers with help from our friend Thomas Flegler. Not only is he a big footy star, he's a banana farmer too. Let's give him a call on our special banana phone.
G'day Anna, welcome to the Flegler Banana Farm. I heard you wanted to learn what it takes to be a banana farmer?
Hey Flegs, I want to learn everything there is to know about bananas. Can you help me?
For sure Anna, banana farming takes a lot of energy, but we always do it with a big smile.
Ready when you are, Flegs.
Sounds good Anna, let's go start our day.
Hey Flegs, what's happening here?
Hey Anna, the team and I are preparing to plant some banana trees. There's lots to do. And like playing footy, it's all about teamwork. First we give our paddocks a bit of love. Then we plant our baby banana trees. Bananas love water because it helps them grow healthy and strong. Finally, we keep an eye out for any pesky pests and weeds.
Naughty pests, leave the bananas alone. Good job everyone. Let's see what Flegs has in store for us next. What do banana trees love? A. Digging holes. B. Water. C. Tractors. Water. That's right everyone. Thank you for helping. So Flegs, what happens after you plant them? Do we just sit back, relax and wait for them to grow?
Oh, I wish it was that easy. We have to take care of them every day. Bananas love warm weather and lots of sunshine. It's what makes Australia the perfect paradise for bananas. But that also means we're tackling the elements. So like a winning footy team, we need a good defensive system.
Whoa, how do you get the energy to do all that work?
I keep one of these with me at all times.
Yum! I think we're ready for the next stage, Flegs. How often do farmers have to look after the banana trees? A. Every day. B. Every week. C. Every month. Every day. You guys are so smart. Whoa, look at all those bananas, Flegs. Are they ready to be picked?
They are, Anna. We cut down banana bunches from the trees. Then we send them here so they can have a nice bath.
Clean bananas are good bananas.
That's right. Our banana experts do their final checks and then they're all ready to go to their new homes.
Bye-bye, bananas. See you soon. What are bananas packed full of? A. Leaves. B. Energy. That's right, it's energy. Amazing work. So Flegs, where are our bananas going?
Our bananas are going to a ripening centre. It's like going to a day spa, where ripening helpers use a bit of science to pamper the bananas. They help them turn from green to yellow.
Those are some happy bananas.
Those happy bananas are now ready to make your body sing. Like people, bananas come in all shapes and sizes, and they're all packed with natural energy.
Bananas sure are nature's perfect go-to snack.
We send them to every supermarket, greengrocer, and even the Tennyson Melbourne.
What does the team do to the bananas before they get sent off? A. Roll them in mud. B. Give them a bath. C. Eat them. Give them a bath to keep them nice and clean. Wow, Flegs, we've learnt so much today about banana farming.
That's right, Anna. There's nothing more rewarding than seeing people enjoy all the hard work we put into our Aussie bananas. Now who wants a banana snack?
I do.
Welcome to Fleg's Table. I'm going to show you some easy ways you can make any banana delicious and healthy. For slightly green bananas, making pinwheels is a great snack for on the go.
Yum.
For perfectly ripe bananas, slice them up on some toast so you can win the morning and win the day. Or mix them up in a bowl of granola and yogurt for that long-lasting, natural energy. What about those brown spotty bananas? Smoothies are a quick and easy crowd pleaser.